Hi, MS. This is Michael from BetterTOEFLScores.com. Thank you for completing your integrated speaking practice. So you subscribe to my service over at Better TOEFL Scores, and you're sending me speaking practice tests daily, and I'm providing you feedback on those practice tests. And this is one of those feedback sessions. Okay, so you're doing integrated speaking task 2. So reading, listening, speaking, campus related. Let's listen to the practice test once. I want to kind of get a sense of your abilities, and then I'm going to listen to it one more time and provide feedback.
The reading passage contains a letter about a dire need for hiring professional librarians, and the speaker in the lecture disagrees with this need. First of all, according to the reading passage, the library is always congested, and that student libraries are unprofessional and not useful. Second of all, the speaker in the passage disagrees with those claims. The speaker states that the library is good enough just the way it is now, and that it's busy only after classes. If students can be patient enough to wait a little bit, everything should be fine. Moreover, the speaker states that student workers know more than librarians. He gave the example of a student worker who helped him more than a librarian in the past. Therefore, these are the reasons why the speaker believes that hiring more professional librarians is not a good idea.
Okay. So I think on this one, I noticed a few problems with delivery. There's a few words in there that I'm not quite sure about. I'm going to listen to it in more detail in just a minute. So I think delivery will be 3.0 to maybe 3.5. Language use, probably similar. Topic development, I think, is fairly organized around 3.5. So you're probably looking, I got a feeling, I don't think this one might make it. I'm going to say 23 to 25 points on this practice test. All right, let's figure out why.
The reading passage contains a letter about
Contains. It sounds like a D instead of a T. Be careful about your T and your D consonant sounds.
dire need for hiring professional librarians, and the speaker in the lecture disagrees with this need.
Okay. So I like how you have a compound sentence. You're connecting the main point from the announcement with the main idea in the lecture. You're showing what the relationship is. In effect, you're integrating the two sources. So that's good.
First of all, according to the reading passage,
So I like the first of all as a transition word to introduce the information from the reading.
the library is always congested, and that student libraries are unprofessional and not useful.
And that student libraries, maybe you mean librarians. So don't confuse the noun thing with the noun person. And there's a word in there I couldn't quite get.
Always congested, and that student libraries are unprofessional and not useful.
That word there, it's maybe 3 or 4 syllables. I'm not sure what that word is. Unfortunately, that's an important word in that sentence, and that's one of the reasons I'm putting you around 3 when it comes to delivery. So be careful of those multisyllabic words. You want to make sure that you're getting both the word stress and you're pronouncing all the syllables clearly. Remember, the primary syllable, which is where the primary stress lies, needs to be clearer, louder, longer, and higher pitched.
Second of all, the speaker in the passage disagrees with those claims. The speaker states that the library is good enough just the way it is now, and that it's busy only after classes. If students can be patient enough to wait a little bit, everything should be
So
fine.
if they're patient to wait a little bit, how about they can get their research or library needs met? Be careful about words like thing, stuff, everything. Don't use generic kind of a catch-all word that explains a whole bunch of different things. You want to be more precise than that. So using precise vocabulary is hugely important, I think, for the speaking section of the TOEFL and also the writing section. Because the more precise you are, MS, the higher your vocabulary level is and the higher your English proficiency is. And of course, the higher you will score on the TOEFL exam.
Moreover, the speaker states that student workers know more than librarians. He gave the example of
So
a
a
student.
little bit of problems as we get near the end, some pacing issues, some pauses, maybe unnecessary hesitations in there. It's clean in the sense that you're not putting a lot of conversation fillers in there, but your rhythm, your pacing is a little bit off. And that's why when I look over here and I see 3, it says, speech is generally clear, yes, but exhibits some minor difficulties with pronunciation, intonation, or pacing. I think that the tone is not bad. I think you have a fairly good tone. You're varying your tone throughout the response. Some problems with pacing, and then there's a few words in there you're not pronouncing very clearly. So be careful. Okay, let's keep going here.
Student worker who helped him more than a librarian in the past.
Now that was a little awkward there. Let's go back.
Librarians. He gave the example of a student worker who helped him more than a librarian in the past.
We helped him more, maybe than in the past, maybe more than in the past.
Therefore, these are the reasons why the speaker believes that hiring more professional librarians is not a good idea.
Okay, so I don't think this is your best effort here. So I don't think this is going to make it. I think there were a few problems with language use in terms of using what I call esoteric or vague, ambiguous vocabulary, and also some limitations with your delivery are going to bring this one down. So I think 23 to 25 points is probably a good estimate for this practice test.